Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to edit aesthetic images. First, you need to download an app from the Play Store, Snowapp. I will show you how to download this app, how to use it, and how to edit in it. So I'm going to edit the image I showed you first. Go to your Play Store and type Snowapp, then click on Snow AI profile and download it. Then open the app and read and use the two options about app terms of use and storage. Then click Agree and Start. If you see an ad when opening the app, dismiss it and click on the Edit option to select the image from your gallery to edit. After selecting the image from the gallery, click on the filter option and click on the 90s and 90s pink color and reduce it to 15. Then click on the Adjust option, click on Split Tone, select Shadow Green, and reduce it to 30. You can see that there are several options in it. Now, if you need it, click on the Curves option, click on the blue, and reduce it until the image turns yellow. You can also adjust other options. Click Filter, Blur, click Glow, reduce to 0, and that's it. Now I will show you how to give an aesthetic effect to the video. The process is the same, but at the end you have to download an app. I will show you on the screen, and then you can adjust the brightness and everything. Then you will get an aesthetic video. I hope you all likes my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.